Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking into SQL in operator and importance of in operator. For what are you guys waiting for then? Let's quickly start our video. So we'll see what is in operator, example of in operator and where to use it and advantages of using in operator. So let's start. So as we all know that we have many special operators in SQL, in is one of those. This allows you to specify multiple columns in a where clause. So it is nothing but whenever you have many or conditions in a where clause, we can simply specify as in. So let's look into the syntax of it. Select column name from table name, where column name in value 1, value 2 and so on. So it is nothing but you are saying to compare column with more than one value over there. Yeah. So let's see an example on it. Select star from employee where employee number in we have given more than one value to compare. So in this example we are just comparing employee number with 1000 and 1001 and 1002 and 1003. If we have only single value to compare, like employee number equal to 1000, then we'll use only equal to. But we are having more than one value here, so we are using in operator. Instead of using not equal to, we can also use not in operator. Way to use in operator. In operator allows you to easily test if an expression matches any values in a list of values you give, as we have said before. Now see the example using or and example using in. We have two conditions using or, like employee name equal to John or employee name equal to Meera. Using in, we have written to compare the values inside the brackets. Value 1 is John and value 2 is Meera. So we can reduce the number of lines of code here. Now see what are the advantages of using in operator. Large number of data is retrieved quickly and large number of lines of code is not required. As we have studied in the previous slide, using in operator we can reduce the number of lines of code we write. But using or operator, we should write more than one conditions, like this equal to this or. But using in operator, we can simply reduce the lines of code we use. That is the advantage of using in operator. Now let's try it out practically using an example. SQL in operator. I just want to inform you that before going to the example, I'm just using the same table which I've been using in my previous videos, and the table is nothing but employee table. And I'm also using other table which have been created in my previous video, that is sample. So I want to use that table too in this video. So let's write a simple example. Select star from table name, that is employee table, where emp underscore name equal to, will give Carl, or emp underscore name equal to John, or emp name equal to Sophia, or emp name equal to Bolt. In this query, we are just retrieving all the information from the table. I mean all the 4 employees information from the table. So we are just mentioning in the condition as whenever the employee name equal to Carl, we just want the information from all those 4 employees. So and the result is here. We can also write the query using in operator as select star from employee where employee name in, just mention all the 4 values, that is names like Carl, John, Sophia and Bolt as parameters. As it compares each and every value which is inside the brackets, as employee name equal to Carl, employee name equal to John, or employee name equal to Sophia and Bolt, and the result is same. So we can reduce the lines of code when we write the query using in operator. Let's try an example using not equal to. Select start from employee where employee age, we'll try it with age now. Employee age not equal to 20 and age not equal to 22, and employee age not equal to 25 will be 25. Okay, we'll get the result like info of all the employees whose age is not equal to 20 or 22 or 25. Yeah, 22 and 25. So let's try the same thing with not in operator. Select start from employee where employee age not in, will specify those values inside the brackets as 20, 22, 25. The result is same. We'll get all the employees whose age is not in 20, 22 and 25. So this is a use of using not in operator. Let's try an example using in with two tables now. One is employee table, another one is sample table. Using a scenario, if you want to find out all the employees whose names are matching in both the tables, so let's find out. Select start from employee where employee name equal to, if we give equal to, we'll write out of, we'll write subquery as select employee name from sample. I think now we'll get the error. Yeah, we'll get the error as single row subquery returns more than one row. Okay, that is nothing but if we execute this single subquery, we'll get more than one name because we are having more than one name in that table. So these are more than one value. So instead we cannot give equal to, we cannot compare more than one value with a single value. So in that case we should give in operator. So in operator compares each value, like one value with each and every value inside the subquery which we are retrieving. Like we are having 4 or 5 table, like 4 or 5 names inside the sample. Yeah, 5 names inside the sample. So this in which compares each name, like name with each and every name in the sample. That is the use of in operator. So we are having 2 names inside the table sample which are matching with names inside the employee table. Okay. So if we try with not in operator, those two, excluding those 2 names, will get every name from the employee table. See exactly. So that is the usage of not in and in operator. I think you have understood the importance of in and not in operators. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we'll be looking into other concepts of SQL. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.